So I think artificial reality, extended reality, all these add a different flavor to robotic. Both are different. Let me just demystify some of the fact. What are these letters? Reality is what you see physically, objects. Virtual reality is you have got a virtual environment, your eyes are closed with a headset, you'll see everything virtual, you can of course interact. Augmented reality is somewhere where you could have a virtual object in this hall, you can see both virtual and real. But mixed reality is where the virtual world is mixed with the real world, and we should be able to interact with the real world into the virtual world and vice versa. Extended reality covers all these three names together. So I love this gadget, which is a HoloLens 2, which is like wearing a helmet and operating. And it's got a fantastic display with a holographic lens with a good resolution. And it tracks your hand, eyes, and it listens to you better than your husband or wife. So, and it has got a microphone and a speaker inbuilt, and sensors act with the precision so you can handle the 3D visualization in space in reality. Let me just see whether we can do a demo. So you can wear it over your, see whether it works. It needs a Wi-Fi to work. Let me just check the Wi-Fi. Okay, I got that. So where is the display? Yeah. And it also scans the environment, like the hall where everything is there in three-dimensional capacity. Let me just see whether it's starting. So I'm just actually operating the keyboard. So I need to change the internet connection. So it's just connecting to the internet. It's on now. So now I need to show what I see because I can only see the virtual. So the way it works is scans my hand, that's the menu. So before that, I had to go here. What's my IP address? It listens. Hopefully we'll be able to. We need a good Wi-Fi for this. So 172.20.15. Are you seeing my? Oh, can you come and change the? I need to show the Internet Explorer. Explorer. Wait a second.
One minute. Duplicate settings.
Let me just check it. Duplicate.
Hey, coming? Wait. Okay, go.
No, this is the PowerPoint. Just check the PowerPoint. See, can you select this?
Duplicate
I need to quit the PowerPoint.
அதுக்கு க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
there is some error in the PowerPoint.
Just give save. Just give save it.
I can't see that. Where is the control here? Minimize. Sorry, it's not responding.
End slideshow.
End it.
It's not on this. Where is your key? Go back to the. Kilo taskbar. Where is your taskbar?
This is the page I want to show.
1 minute. எப்போ எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணீங்க?
இல்லை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இதில் கிளிக் ஆகல.
எதுவுமே ஒர்க் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது. பரவாயில்ல. That's okay.
Okay, let me just show the.
One second. Extend this.
I think it's some reason why that PowerPoint is only shown there. Sorry, guys.
Duplicate it. I need system is shut off.
Okay, we start.
Restart.
My system is on. So our system is on. This is like a mini, it's a computer. So how long will it take? So it's an emerging technology. I think what we are using currently is for industrial areas where difficulty to access to work field or complex machineries, military, all these operations are happening. It was introduced as a professional personal tool, but it wasn't a big success. Now it is being projected as a professional tool with some success. Okay. This is is crashed.
It's rebooting.
Okay. So there are three primary uses. Number one is the industry. Number two is teaching and training. Maybe in your even robotic surgeries, if you want to share what you see, etc., to overseas across, then this is something which you can rely on. And third is the healthcare industry. You want to do? So any questions on shoulder arthroplasty we can take up while it is booting up. Okay. Come. Okay.
Now it's jumping. 95%.
First we have to patch it up. Okay, we are ready.
Plus it's still booting.
Oh, I have to do this because I'm wearing this.
Oh, you'll have
No, I just put the pin.
password? No, we are getting everything there. Commercials.
Any questions from the audience for sir?
What's my IP address? What's my IP address? What's my IP address? Okay, we are there. I think the whole system works on Wi-Fi only. So the theater or whatever, wherever you use, you will have a fantastic Wi-Fi. Otherwise, it's the problem. Okay, very close one. Can you see, guys?
So stay on the dress.
Have you scanned the entire hall? Can you see what I see on the screen now? So I can see the entire hall, but I have my screen here. Okay, now I just go here and then make it zoom. So now I have come here, moved out of the, so I can see like this. So switching on. Switch on. You can see that. It's actually tracking my eyes. So I bring here. If I move here, it brings that menu here. So I'll just say, interesting thing is this, because we're talking about 3D. So I'm just waiting for loading for 3D Chameleon. It's downloading my model. Can you see that? So I want to move that. So I'm catching it. This move. And you can see move. Can you see that? So I can go close here. I can see it. Leave it. And even if I move around like this, I can still see you all around. The reality as well as the artificial. And it's like a hologram. So this is the 3D material. So like this, you could visualize all your body part or whatever you prepared like a 3D in front of your eyes. So if you don't want this, you can keep it there. And I'm going to put it here. There. Drop. So now in my screen, if I look at here, I can see you guys. But if I look here, I can see the model. So it's my virtual space. I use both virtual as well as real. So now I want to open another icon, another program. Photos. So this is my last operation. That's the 3D. Can you see that? So now you can keep it there. So I can move it bigger. So I can use my distance. This is the mixed reality because this is the mixed reality because it will be the time delay when you show up. So this is the mixed reality. I can capture it with my hand. And I just want to put it here in this wall. So I will be operating like this. I can have this MRI or CT or the patient's model virtually there. And if I want to bring it, I can just bring it back to where I need. So like this, your guides and other applications will come. So I will show you the PowerPoint slides now. Okay. So also, this is the other important thing I can just say now. Take a picture. Okay? So that's the picture of your conference with this menu there.